Hello kapatid, kamusta? Nag-aaral ka ba ngayon? Nahihirapan kung paano makapaghanda para sa isang oral report? Well, meron akong tips para sa iyo.
The good news is that you can do a lot of things to prepare and feel more relaxed during your talk. Ang paghahanda ay nakakatulong sa iyong confidence and will help you focus what matters when you're finally right in the spotlight. Ito na ngayon ang mga tips na makakatulong sa iyo sa pag-present na isang good oral report. Number 1, isulat ang iyong report para mapakinggan ng maayos at hindi lang basta nabasa mo. Iba kasi yung nagbabasa ka lang at parang hindi ka naiintindihan ng audience mo kaysa nag-uulat ka na naiintindihan nila ng maayos, parang nakikipag-usap ka lang sa kanila. Pangalawa, magsanay sa pagbasa ng iyong ulat ng malakas. Napakahalaga nito dahil kung nagkakamali ka man sa isang salita o sa isang phrase, madali mo itong na-correct kapag nagkamali ka. Kaya basahin mo ito ng malakas habang nagsasanay ka pa. Pangatlo, sa umaga bago ang iyong pag-uulat, maaari kang kumain. Ngunit huwag kang uminom ng mga carbonated beverages because it will dry your mouth and caffeine will also affect your nerves and make you jittery or nervous. Just stick to water or juice instead. Pang-apat, magbihis ng maayos at maghanda ng 2 angkop na kasuotan para sa angkop na panahon. Bakit? Dahil ang ating panahon ay pabago-bago. Kung panahon ng taglamig, baka lalamigin ka at magmumukha kang nininervyos. At panahon naman ng tag-init, dapat ihanda mo ang angkop na kasuotan dahil baka magkakapawis ka at parang nininervyos ka na rin. Kaya ihanda ang angkop na 2 uri ng kasuotan. Pang-5, pag nakatayo ka na sa harapan ng iyong audience, take a moment to relax. Huwag kang matakot to take a silent pause before you begin. For a moment, tingnan muna ang iyong ulat. Kung kinakabahan ka, pausing for a moment will give an opportunity to calm down. Pag nagawa mo ito ng wasto, it actually looks very professional too. Pang-6, pag nagsisimula ka na sa pagsasalita and your voice is shaky, take a pause. Clear your throat. Take a few relaxing breaths and start again. Number 7, focus on someone at the back of the room. Tama, i-focus ang iyong paningin sa iisang tao lamang. This will give a calming effect on the speakers. It may feel weird, but it doesn't look weird. Number 8, harian mo ang stage. Pretend you are a professional on TV. This will give you confidence. Number 9, ihanda ang sagot na di ko alam if people will be asking questions. Takot na sabihing di ko alam. You can say something like, that's a good question. I'll look into that. Pang-10, huwag kalimutang magkaroon ng good ending line. Iwasan ang awkward moment in the end by preparing a strong conclusion. Don't back away mumbling like, I guess that's all. You may ask this question: how can I overcome fear of public speaking? Fear of public speaking is a common form of anxiety. It can range from slight nervousness to paralyzing fear and panic. Many people with this fear avoid public speaking situations altogether, or they suffer through them with shaking hands and a quavering voice. But with preparation and persistence, you can overcome your fear. These tips may help. 1. Knowing your topic. The better you understand what you're talking about and the more you care about the topic, the less likely you'll make a mistake or get off track. And if you do get lost, you'll be able to recover quickly. Take some time to consider what questions the audience may ask and have your responses ready. Number 2, get organized. Ahead of time, carefully plan out the information you want to present, including any props, audio, or visual aids. The more organized you are, the less nervous you will be. Use an outline on a small card to stay on track. If possible, visit the place where you'll be speaking and review available equipment before your presentation. Number 3. Practice and then practice some more. Practice your complete presentation several times. Do it for some people you're comfortable with and ask for feedback. It may also be helpful to practice with a few people with whom you're less familiar. Consider making a video of your presentation so you can watch it and see opportunities for improvement. Number 4. Challenge specific worries. When you're afraid of something, you may overestimate the likelihood of bad things happening. List your specific worries. Then directly change them by identifying probable and alternative outcomes and any objective evidence that supports each worry or the likelihood that your feared outcomes will happen. Number 5. Visualize your success. Imagine that your presentation will go well. Positive thoughts can help decrease some of your negativity about your social performance and relieve anxiety. Number 6. Do some deep breathing. This can be very calming. Take 2 or more deep, slow breaths before you get up to the podium and during your speech. Number 7. Focus on your material, not on your audience. People mainly pay attention to new information, not how it's presented. They may not notice your nervousness. If audience members don't notice that you're nervous, they may root for you and want your presentation to be a success. Number 8. Don't fear a moment of silence. If you lose track of what you're saying or start to feel nervous and your mind goes blank, it may seem like you've been silent for an eternity. In reality, it's probably only a few seconds. Even if it's longer, it's likely your audience won't mind a pause to consider what you've been saying. Just take a few slow, deep breaths. Number 9. Recognize your success. After your speech or presentation, give yourself a pat on the back. It may not have been perfect, but chances are you're far more critical of yourself than your audience is. See if any of your specific worries actually occurred. Everyone makes mistakes. Look at any mistakes you made as an opportunity to improve your skills. Number 10. Get support. Join a group that offers support for people who have difficulty with public speaking. If you can't overcome your fear with practice alone, consider seeking professional help. Cognitive behavioral therapy is a skills-based approach that can be a successful treatment for reducing fear of public speaking. As another option, your doctor may prescribe a calming medication that you take before public speaking. If your doctor prescribes a medication, try it before your speaking engagement so to see how it affects you. Nervousness or anxiety in certain situations is normal, and public speaking is no exception. Known as performance anxiety, other examples include stage fright, test anxiety, and writer's block. But people with severe performance anxiety that includes significant anxiety in other social situations may have social anxiety disorder, also called social phobia. Social anxiety disorder may require cognitive behavioral therapy, medications, or a combination of the two.